Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited, your trusted partner in advanced refining technology and innovative solutions. Formerly known as Rajesh Enterprises, we have been committed to delivering excellence since our establishment in 2012. To meet growing industry demands and provide superior service, we transitioned from a proprietorship into a private limited company. Over the years, we have specialized in designing and manufacturing high-quality precious metal refinery machines, neutralization scrubber systems, chemical wastewater treatment plants, and advanced laboratory equipments. Our core strength lies in customizing products to meet the unique needs of our valued clients, ensuring reliability, precision, and innovation. Introduction to the silver refining machine. The silver refining machine is an advanced and innovative solution designed to simplify and enhance the silver refining process. It is tailored to address the diverse need of the precious metal industry, making it an indispensable tool for refining old silver traded in the market, processing silver jewelry scraps, particles, and sweep dust, refining mining silver doré bars and waste generated during jewelry manufacturing, such as cutting, filing, and polishing. This machine guarantees 999+ purity in its output, producing high-quality fine silver, commonly known as silli, with precision and consistency. Combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, the silver refining machine sets a new benchmark in efficiency, sustainability, and performance. The silver refining machine is designed with advanced technology and automation to make the refining process seamless and efficient. Here is what makes it exceptional. Automated processes. Auto chemical lifting ensures safety and ease of handling chemicals. Automated filtration simplifies the separation process. Automated precipitation settles silver particles with precision. Silver collection. The automatic filtration system ensures efficient silver recovery. Processing time. The complete refining process takes 6 to 8 hours, delivering fine silver with minimal manual intervention. Cost effectiveness. The unit processing cost, including chemicals and power consumption, is Rs 180 per kilogram. The machine includes a complete package of accessories such as melting units, settling tanks, pressure units, and more, minimizing silver loss. A condensation unit reduces silver wastage in fumes, capturing it and returning it to the system. Neutralized fumes are processed through a scrubbing system to maintain pH 7 levels, ensuring zero harm to the environment. Environmental responsibility. The liquid from the settling tank is treated in the ETP, effluent treatment plant, to ensure zero pollutants before discharge, keeping the process eco-friendly. Made in India, designed for excellence. Manufactured in Mumbai, Maharashtra, our machines are produced in-house, ensuring the highest quality and precision. The machine is vibration-free, produces no harmful fumes, and ensures reduced labor cost. Applications. Perfect for jewelry manufacturing, silver doré bar refining, and local silver exchange market. With its state-of-the-art design, efficient processing, and eco-friendly features, the silver refining machine is tailored to meet the modern needs of silver refiners and manufacturers. It is reliable, cost-effective, and sustainable solution for achieving the finest silver quality. So if you are looking for the perfect silver refining machine, this is the ideal choice for your business. Thank you for choosing Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited, your trusted partner in refining technology.